Hello guys! Salam! Happy Idil Adha to all! Guess what? Magbablog tayo guys kahit tayo ay galing night duty. So we have a short mini vlog just to say thank you to someone who gave us this spaghetti. Thank you Mama Jeng for your courtesy of the spaghetti and the mamoon pudding. Also the wajit. Thank you so much, Jeng Jamari. And of course, this one, courtesy of Jen Corrales. Jenny, thank you so much for your maha blanca and the egg pie. Of course, we have Katir variants of our Fudang collection. We have the sandwich, the salad, the laban, the jello. We have the tuna salad, and of course our soup, chicken soup, and of course we have our pudding baon last night, and we have the breakfast, dalawang log, and also the bread. Yan. So yan lahat guys ang ating breakfast for today's video. Wow! Sinong magsasabi na wala akong handa sa Eid? Oh, yan ang mga handa ko lahat. Tingnan ninyo. O, diba? Sulit, busog, sarap. Yan. Thank you, Jeng. Thank you, Jenny. Yay! See? Daming fudang. O, diba? So, yan ang handa natin para sa Eid today. Come and let's join me. Tara, kain tayo.